Where are we?
Alejandro's safe house. Gave him the location just in case.
Why didn't he tell me?
He was need to know.
What if I needed to know? Pressure plane.
Alejandro rigged it.
Smart bastard.
There. Don't move!
¿Quién está ahí?
Rodolfo!
Soap. Ghost. You're alive.
Affirmative.
Good to see you, amigos.
Igual, amigo.
Nice throw. Where were you guys?
On the run.
I was on the run. Ghost waited for me.
Of course, no?
No.
Yes. We're a team. All of us. This happened on my watch and I'll need help to fix it. No one fights alone.
Why did Graves turn?
We don't know.
Las Almas can corrupt anyone.
Not us.
For now, General Shepard, Laswell, and anyone else outside this room is considered a hostile. With one exception.
Alejandro?
We need him back.
Ben. Graves is holding him here.
His own personal black site prison.
My team is locked in there too.
How do we get him back?
By breaking in.
And that's why I love the Ghost.
It's gonna take more than this.
It's well stocked.
All right.
My man. We're gonna need new wheels. Preferably up-armored.
Alejandro thought of everything.
Yeah, he did. Let's go get him.
The old prison is in a remote area outside Las Almas. It was maximum security until the narcos took over, and it was permanently closed. There is no airstrip, but expect helos for security and resupply.
We'll drive to an offset and ruck up to our infill. Here. If the security towers are manned, we'll need to take them out first and rope up the wall for entry.
What about cameras?
There's CCTVs in the security room.
We'll use them to locate Alejandro and the rest of your men.
Let's divide and conquer. While Rudy finds out, I'll use the cams to help Ghost plant charges in key areas.
Diversions and sabotage. Nice, Johnny.
I learned from the best, LT. Once we pinpoint Alejandro and Los Vaqueros, we regroup and pry him loose.
We'll carry extra guns in to arm my men and fight our way out the way we came in.
Any questions?
What are we waiting for?
Graves will have this place locked down.
Expect patrols on the outside.
No doubt.
We're geared up.
Guns, ammo, and charges in the pikes.
I've got the plummet gun. Ascenders.
Check.
Check. Let's hope Alejandro's alive.
Count on it.
On me.
Go left.
Trail.
Let's follow it.
Rudy, how long you known Alejandro?
20 years. Signed up together. Toughest dude in the regiment.
I wouldn't want to mess with him.
We used to say, el único que puede matar a Alejandro es Alejandro.
What's it mean?
The only thing that can kill Alejandro is Alejandro.
Glad he's on our side.
A huevo.
Hold up. Eyes on the prison. Patrols on the outside.
We'll have to take them out now to get in.
2 snipers first tower. So, you take one, I'll get the other.
Tower Soap, left side. Pick one and drop him.
Shadows down.
Good shots, hermanos.
I'll flank around and we'll clear the field. Rudy, give us a hand. Hold fire, Soap.
Got a heli incoming. Looks like a supply dropper.
Copy. Eyes on 6 shadows.
Affirm. 3 at the vehicle. 2 behind it. 1 solo on your right side.
Take the 2 at the vehicle first, and the others won't see.
Good call. Soap. On my mark, drop the 1 in the cab.
Set.
Check. 3, 2, 1. Solid. 2 down. On the move. Take the 2 right at the vehicle. I'll hit the 1 on the other side.
on you, Sergeant. Vehicle, right side. 2 shadows wide open. Clear.
All clear. Push up to the base of the tower. That's our entry point. Stay quiet. Let's get up there. Good hook.
Take point, Lieutenant. Soap. Oh, you, Soap. Check fire up top. Keep us quiet.
Aye. Up.
Copy. Behind you.
Let's get to the security room. Stay close.
Look for a hatch with a ladder.
Got it. On me, so down and in.
Aye, coming down.
Let's move.
Security building is straight ahead. CCTV is inside.
Move fast and stay low.
2 inside. Let's take them out before they call their amigos.
You want to use a close-range weapon for interior.
Good call, LT.
Let's get in there.
On you, Soap. We're clear. We'll use a closed circuit to locate my men.
And find Alejandro.
We'll need diversions when we move. I'll plant charges on the outside, so your eyes will guide me.
Aye.
Get on those cameras.
On it.
Same.
I'm out. Watch for me.
Raj, good luck, LT.
Soap, let me know when I'm clear to move in past the gate.
Clear. Go.
Access the camera ahead and check for threats.
1 shadow. Easy kill. Recommend your blade. Down. Good to go. Shadow on the balcony. Advise you trigger him. A little help's not so bad, eh, LT?
Stay focused, Johnny.
Just saying.
Keep it tactical, Sergeant.
Move, Ghost. 1, around the corner. Go up. I see you on the roof. 1 down below.
Clear to push in, Johnny. Wearing body armor, I'll have to get in close.
Trash bin on your right. Time to take out the trash.
Fucking hell.
1 on patrol inside the razor wire. 1 in the corner. His gun's down. Use your blade. Good night. Shadow ahead. Take a stab at him. Go to the crate. Move to the truck.
Good place to plant a charge. How's it look?
Go for it, LT.
Check. Bomb planted. On the move.
Three shadows ahead. 1 at the truck, 2 round the bend. You'll need a diversion. Head left. Guarding the catwalk. Stand by. I'll tell you when. Go, LT. Time for distraction, LT. Your bread and butter, son.
Lights out,
All clear. He's heading toward the electrical.
unless he runs into me on the way.
Now. I'm pretty good at this, eh, LT?
I've seen better.
Who?
Me.
Looking good, LT. Clear to move. Go up. Second floor's got windows open. Movement inside. Clear. Go. Wait there.
Confirm when clear.
Move up. Go down. Go down. Seen a pickup you can sabotage.
Good call, Sergeant.
Dump him. Sleep well, asshole.
Planting charge. 2 down. Moving.
Go to the crate. Eyes on one ahead. Go, now. One in your way. Cut and run, LT. Classic Ghost. You're good. Move left. One left. Let's see some knife work, LT. APC looks ripe for a bomb, LT. Go now, Ghost. You'll need a diversion.
Roger.
Head right. Got 2 closing on you. No threats. Move. One on the roof, Ghost. Appears clear. Push up. Another APC with your name on it. Go to the crate. Two coming in off the road. Let 'em pass.
Advise me when to move, Sergeant.
Move, Ghost. Go to the truck. You're good. Clear to move. Press up. Shadow, left. Use your knife. Gone. Knife him. Move left. One, left. Let's see some knife work, LT. Good kill. Go now, Ghost. You're good to plant that charge.
Rog, done. On to the next.
Appears clear. You'll need a diversion.
Rog.
No threats. Move. Got two closing on you. Go, LT. Push up. Go now, Ghost. Go to the crate. Two coming in off the road. Let them pass. Go, now. Go to the truck. Clear to move. Clear, go. Go left. Press up. Heads up, one shadow. Use your knife. Gone. Go for it, LT. Four less to give us chase.
We're all set here, Johnny. Have we located Alejandro?
Perfect timing. I found him.
Where?
Stand by.
Bloody fucking hell. That's him.
He's in solitary. Two on the door.
I see them. Ghost. We got him. He's alone. Two shadows on guard.
Not for long. RV outside the cell block. We'll pry him loose.
Roger that. On the move. Good work.
Igual, amigo. Alejandro would have come for us.
Eso que ni qué.
Vamos por unos vaqueros, cabrón.
Ghost, what's your status?
Covered your way.
Copy. We're on the move.
Heads up, amigo.
Looks like Rad is line of sight.
Cell block. Entries ahead. Shadows blocking the way.
Let's send them to hell and get inside.
All clear.
It's locked.
We'll need to reach it.
No, Rudy. Knock.
On me. Enemies on the second deck.
All coming down the stairs.
So, we'll keep them busy up top. Press forward.
Coming up behind you, Sergeant.
Alejandro's up here, let's go.
Slide him.
Alejandro's down the hall, right side.
Expect.
Buena pinche sombra! There's Alejandro's cell. Open it up, I'll cover you.
When I pop this lock, you push in. This is what we came for.
Alejandro!
¡Es mío, hermano!
Coronel, relájate, cabrón. Somos nosotros.
Sup? Rudy, Ghost! Didn't think we'd leave you, did ya?
What the fuck took you so long, pendejos?
Place is crawling with shadows, there'll be hell ahead.
Let's fight fire with fire.
There's more vaqueros in the cells upstairs.
Time to get them out. Órale, on you, Rodolfo.
You seen Graves here?
No, but I plan to pay that cabron a special visit.
Oh, me too.
They have guards on all the floors. Be ready.
Right shields! Sir, throw whatever you got at them!
Hijos de puta.
Kill everything that moves!
Think we're clear.
Los vaqueros are locked in these cells.
Aquí estamos, vaqueros. Hora de ir a casa.
Estamos aquí, hermanos. Los sacaremos.
We breach in the doors.
Doors are powered. Controls are on the command post across the hall.
You heard him, Johnny. Get in there and
Doing it.
unlock the doors.
¡Órale, mis hermanos a toda parte!
Sargento Parra tiene armas. Tomen una y esperen aquí.
Comandante, ¿estás vivo?
Rest of you with me.
¡Bendito
Right
sea!
with you.
This was the mess hall.
Let's make a mess.
Órale.
Shadows know we're here. Stay sharp. Despejado, coronel.
No threats. Open the door. It's padlocked. I got it. El fantasma siempre preparado. On you, Colonel. Weapons hard, hermanos. Stairwell leads down and out. We'll link up with the others and exfil the fuck out of here.
Exfil vehicles are set. Those planted charges to help us get out.
With Johnny's help? I can't call soap, Johnny.
Don't. Only Ghost can pull that off.
Supplies there. Take what you need. There'll be serious resistance getting out.
We'll have to cross the yard to get everyone out.
The roof, right side!
Johnny, that truck's got one of our charges on it. Detonate it.
Here it comes. A freaking boom, baby.
Good effect, let's move up.
Sniper down.
Good shot, hermano.
Use the detonate.
Go on yourself, you scum.
We clear? For now. Rodolfo, where to?
Cut through the building. Left side.
These shadows are crazy.
Mercenaries, Johnny. Bloody wannabes. Appears quiet. Take anything we can use to stay in the fight, Johnny.
I'll get an OP up top and cover my fire. Rest of you wait for my signal.
Copy.
I'm good.
Second floor! Watch, moving out. We got grenades!
Push through. There's a field we can use to flank up.
Need to get up and over that wall.
You hear that?
Loud and clear, Price. Coming to you.
Who is he?
A friend.
Be advised. Ropes deployed. Find him and climb. Roger that.
We're clear for now, but shadows are on the way. Count on it. Sergeant Metellus.
Good to see you, Captain.
Ghost. Garrick, Bryce.
How'd you know?
Laswell. Soon as Shepard went dark, she called us. Laswell's still solid as a rock.
Colonel Vargas. Meet Captain Price and Sergeant Garrick.
Thanks for the assist. My men need cover fire. Gaz, Soap, Ghost. Overwatch, now.
That vehicle is rigged. Detonate it. Vehicle destroyed. Rudy, send some men out the road.
Es su oportunidad.
Shadows in the west side tower.
More vehicles incoming from the front.
Aggressive fire. Friendly's come on the road. Look to us. We're pulling out.
Snipers on the roofs. Johnny, detonate that anchor. Good effect.
Down. ¡Vamos! ¡Avancen rápido mientras está despejado!
We're good to go, Coronel.
Let's get the fuck out of here, hermanos. Down the wall. We are leaving.
Sergeant, get on the rope. We're going.
Those two are ours. Check.
Rodolfo, you take the truck we came with.
Roger that.
Vaquero, sígueme. Rudy, nos vamos a el rancho.
Sale, coronel. Suerte.
Captain, follow me.
Copy. Gas, drive.
On it. Go, so, this is us.
Load in. Hit it, Gaz. Shepard burned us.
He sent Graves to the shadows to kill us around Los Vaqueros.
We know why.
Laswell did a bit of digging.
What did she find? Truth.
I uncovered redacted intel regarding a black bag operation conducted by General Shepard and carried out by Shadow Company. They were transacting American-made ballistic missiles to our allies fighting Russians in the Middle East. The mission did not go as planned.
What are we carrying this time, Graves?
If I told you, I'd have to kill you.
I bet he'd do it too.
It's nothing but a milk run, boys. Guns for the good guys. We'll be back here at HQ for breakfast. Don't shit the bed, and there'll be bonuses all around. Find me when you're back.
Yep.
Shepard's waiting for a sit rep. Don't leave him hanging. Out.
3 containers.
That's a lot of fucking milk.
Thirsty friends. Shadow 2 to Gold Eagle Actual.
10 traffic, 2.
3 Shadow Victors exiting Highway 7 Zulu. No issues, Actual.
Copy. Get that cargo delivered on time. Do not fail. Eagle out.
Do not fail. Told you this shit was important.
What's this?
3, this is Erickson. What's up?
Got a vehicle in the road.
Stand by. Coming to you.
Graves, Vance, be advised. Held up, sorting it out now.
Handle it. Keep the line moving.
Roger that.
Reconnaissance said the route was clear of enemy activity. The reports were wrong. The shipment was spotted before it arrived at its destination.
You gotta move. Sir, you need to move.
I don't like this.
Yada harak.
His Arabic is atrocious.
Yada harak. Minfalik.
Apollo, lean out and cover him. On it.
We need a turf out here. What's the call, sir?
Vance, Apollo, go help him out.
Contact! 3-1 is down! Light him up, Apollo! Who the fuck are these guys? Back up! All stations, troops in contact! Taking effective fire! Multiple casualties! Contact rear!
Eliminate that threat, Shadow. This is Gold Eagle Actual. Do not lose that cargo.
Eyes high! Watch those buildings! On the roof! RPG! Let's move! Let's go! We're surrounded! They're everywhere! What the fuck are they?
Actual requesting QRL.
Negative. We fight with the guns we have.
Gentlemen, they need help.
You are my help. Now fix this.
You guys are Russian PMCs! What the fuck are they doing out here? All stations, we got Russian PMCs out here!
Repeat. Russian?
Enemy troop is Russian!
God damn it, Graves. You said the route was clear.
Too many of them! Graves, we need reinforcements!
Actual, my boys are getting stitched up. They need air support.
We can't do that, Graves, and you know it.
Get down!
All Shadows report. Any station this message. Shadow Actual, what is your status? Fuck. Erickson, it's Graves. What's your location?
Bien. Могут притворяться мертвыми.
Vance.
Да, сэр.
Bravo. I'm in trouble, sir. I want this situation contained. That means this operation will not be reported. General, my men are taking fire from Russian PMCs. The situation is not yet under control. The identity of the enemy has not been confirmed.
The Russians executed the entire squad and got a hold of Shadow's comms. They learned Shepard was behind it. Russia gave the missiles to Hassan. Shepard's intentions were good, but the shipments were illegal and off the books. He and Graves buried it. The cover-up is always worse than the crime. We were getting too close, and they weren't gonna let that happen. 3 missiles were stolen. We've only found 2. Hassan's got 1 more. We need to find it.